Friends, appreciate the time, appreciate the wisdom.
Excited to be here, and yeah, hopefully can share some knowledge.
Expect it to be a bit more dense if it was not dense already.
Define the number of data points you need, and then you can have technically like more or less on the reference period to kind of fit the data the best. We're doing a holdout where nobody's being exposed to anything, and then we're exposing them to just one, as opposed to like the other incrementality design I was describing, where they would be exposed to all three and we would hold one of them out.
But being able to articulate why direct mail is working for you and why Facebook's not working for you, if you can actually articulate that, that's when the light bulb goes off. It's a long way in like being able to actually address the gap in the execution. But that part is very much of like a art and the science, right? The more you get into the brand, the more you understand the execution, the more you can actually articulate the result in the context of the execution, the more it's meaningful and pops.